Hello, thank you for engaging with the SkinGenuity Hair Restoration Home Kit. My name is Ali Ghanem. I am an academic plastic surgeon and a visiting professor of aesthetic medicine. The SkinGenuity Hair Restoration Home Kit is a culmination of several decades of research into growth factors. Growth factors are the very language that our cells communicate with each other in order to organize us, our life, and our health. The growth factors that are used in this combination are like an orchestra made up of different components that are necessary in order to create the stimulation of the hair follicles to restore and enhance the quality of the hair. The SkinGenuity concept has been proven in clinical trials, showing improvement in the characteristics of the hair, such as the hair thickness and its diameter, and also the number of hairs per an area, what we call the hair density, after 8 to 12 weeks of application. This concept of hair restoration home kit is based on two components. The first component utilizes a patented advanced hairbrush that applies advanced botanicals which will provide nutrients and other stimulants of the hair follicle. This you will use twice daily, in the morning and the evening, throughout the 8 to 12 weeks treatment period. The second component is a home-based microneedling system that utilizes a 0.2 millimeter needle system through which multiple growth factors will be applied to regenerate and stimulate the hair follicles. We recommend that you use the microneedling system 3 times a week. You can think of it as a routine that you do every other day. The combination of these two components is shown to cease the shedding of the hair and also improve the hair density after the treatment period. Once again, thank you very much for engaging with the SkinGenuity Hair Restoration Home Kit. We look forward to hearing from you.
Open the needle head from the blister pack and screw onto the bottle of SkinGenuity regenerative solution. Do not over-tighten, as this could stop the liquid coming out of the bottle. Turn the bottle with the needle head attached upside down with the needles facing downwards and gently press the gold-colored button in the center of the needles. This will encourage the growth factor solution to fill up the empty needles so that when you needle your skin, the solution will enter your skin directly. Make sure that the solution is coming out of the needle head by testing it on the back of your hand. If no solution is coming out, then loosen the top slightly and then press the gold-colored button again until you see air bubbles going into the solution. Press the needles onto the area of the scalp where you are trying to regrow the hair. It is important to press firmly to ensure that the needles penetrate the scalp. The firmer you press, the more likely the growth factors are to get to the scalp. Repeat this process over the whole area where you are trying to improve the hair coverage or prevent hair loss. For best results, needle the scalp every other day. The needling will cause the scalp to go slightly red, which will go after about 15 minutes. It is very rare, but if the redness persists for several hours or if your scalp feels itchy, then please contact our free phone number or speak to your doctor. If you haven't used all the solution, then wash the needle end, replace the lid and store with the needles facing down. Do not keep a single needle head for more than 2 applications, and the needle head can only be used by one person and is not to be shared. In clinical trials, the best results were seen at about 12 weeks, although you will notice an improvement in your hair regrowth prior to the 12 weeks. Remove the rubber top from the botanical applicator. Pour the botanical solution into the container. The container contains 30 milliliters, so you should have enough to refill twice. Place the rubber top back. Take the bottom off and press the rubber top down twice. This will ensure that the solution passes into the needles. Rub over the area you wish to improve the quality of your hair, or you wish your hair to regrow. Do several passes and let the solution dry on your scalp. Repeat this twice daily. We are always keen to hear your experiences, so please give us some feedback via your doctor or on our Facebook page.